Look at oh.
You did, man. You ruined it. You ruined my video.
Start it up again.
Of all the ones to...
Visa gift card, $25. Thank
Oh my
you.
god. Oh, it's fantastic. Oh man, this
Another
is yours.
Visa gift
That
card,
is
$50.
fantastic.
My God, does it end?
No, you don't have any of that yet, do you, Bridget?
Give me the tissue paper.
It's not needed. That's
$50.
It's like
$100. Oh my gosh, thank you.
This is yours. It's laundry detergent. Give me that tissue paper.
Is this actually a thing? You know, these are colored, right?
No, I didn't know
I'm
they
not
were colored.
black. I can't wear this.
I didn't know it's colored.
Well,
A candle, pumpkin spice. I don't think so.
Are you kidding me? We had a gag gift. We got a broken computer from my boyfriend's workplace, and we gave it to one of our
Oh,
friends.
cool.
I wrote in like binary code on the side.
A picture frame.
Good headphones.
Nice.
He's trying to open it, don't press it.
Well, I never tasted them before.
Mom.
Quick, put the lid back on. It's just with Nick.
Mom.
He has Pop-Tarts.
Mom.
Pop-Tarts?
Yeah.
Mom.
He's trying to open his own gift.
Oh, I thought he was squeezing that thing.
Now he's all with tissue paper. Ready? The tissue paper. No.
Chip loves his toys.
Give me that thing.
He loves his toys. Don't hurt Chip. Don't bite on it. Chip, be nice. Yeah, you can give him one of those. Maybe it'll keep him from biting on his toy.
One of those.
Just let him bite it.
Put all my other stuff back in the toy. Because the entire Christmas is a big meal.
It's good that Chip knows what's his.
Chip.
Yeah.
Chip. Chip.
Chip.
Nice.
Look, it's chewing on that thing.
What the heck?
Roll over.
Check out these jammies. Aren't these nice? Oh, treat. Oh my gosh, a treat.
Okay. No. Chip, lay down.
Oh, these
Lay down.
are super nice.
Good boy, Chip. Ew.
Oh, does he like it though?
Oh my gosh. Feel that.
He likes it.